afternoon. It's Long Haul Gypsy here in Central Florida, waiting on my cousin to come with her family and spend some time this afternoon. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more videos to your phone. Bye. Look, see, everybody's got to get past. So, who do I go for? Danielle or Joe? Is it going to be Danielle or is it going to be Joe?
It's me.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, Joe.
Hello.
Look at the Vicky. These masks are going to go.
Yeah, they are.
But I have to be nice because y'all are going to be on my video. I love you.
I love you.
Hey, Vicky Small,
hey.
Beautiful. Vicky's my cousin, but you know, she's so young. Look at that. Oh my God, baby girl. That's Danielle, my cousin.
And this is Wesley, my husband.
Hey.
Hey, Wesley.
Nice to
Look,
meet you.
nice to meet you.
Aunt Elisa, cousin
Well,
Lisa. How are
and
you
look
doing?
at Guy. Is he not the cutest thing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're gonna turn this off for a minute.
Let me pull up this video from the other day. He said bone.
Bone. Aww, sugars. Okay, so Vicky, when is baby 2 coming?
Like September 3rd, 6th, 9th, one of those days, early September. And as soon as I hit 14 weeks, I'm going to find out what it is.
It's gonna be a boy.
No, it's
Ooh.
not. It's going to be a girl.
No, we're gonna speak girl into
Can't wait to watch
existence.
you cry again. That's
No,
it.
I did cry at my gender reveal.
Look
It'll
at
be
Guy,
y'all's
he's
gender
so
reveal.
cute.
It won't be mine, because I already know what it
Ooh,
is.
nummies.
He's doing fingers, Mom.
Nums.
That's what he calls food. And no. No.
Say, oh goodness.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, he's not gonna do it now.
Say, is it Dr. Hey everybody. So it's been a really great afternoon. Get to spend time with my family. From my mom's side of the family, Danielle and Joe, Vicky and her husband Wesley, and then of course baby Guy. So I guess, to be honest, this is probably one of my favorite parts of being able to be a truck driver. I have family all over the country, and when you are an over-the-road truck driver and you get a moment or some moments to be able to stop, kind of smell the roses kind of thing, let your family know you're available and that you have some time, those moments are precious. You know, you never know what life is going to bring you. Since the last time I saw Danielle and Joe and their little family, my mother died, her mother died, aunts and uncles have passed away. Our children have grown up, and those are moments that, you know, you can't change. But what you can change is that when you have a moment, I have been known to stop and see somebody for literally 5 minutes. But those minutes, those moments are priceless. So I wouldn't give this away for anything, and I am so thankful that they were willing to drive, 2.5 hours to come and see me and go to lunch together. They drove 2.5 hours one way to spend 2 hours. And now they're driving back. The hello was great. The goodbye was hard. So, I'm so thankful and blessed to have been down here in Central Florida and able to see people that I love dearly. I wouldn't change it for the world. And I appreciate you watching on my little journey for today. So I would call this one of the top 3 perks of being an over-road truck driver. So Danielle, Joe, Vicky, Wesley, Guy, I love you guys so very much. Be safe, and I'll see you the next time. Peace out.